Do you know how an LED light works? Let's understand the working principle of an LED with the help of a 3D animation. The main component of an LED light is a semiconductor diode, also known as a PN junction diode. In this junction diode, the upper layer is called the P-type layer, the lower layer is called the N-type layer, and the middle region is known as the active region. In the N-type material, the concentration of electrons is high, whereas in the P-type material, the concentration of holes is high. When the N-type and P-type materials are connected to an external power source, electrons move towards the P-type region and holes move towards the N-type region. This leads to a process called electron-hole recombination, which is very common in semiconductors. When an electron recombines with a hole, light particles, photons, are emitted. The color of the light emitted by the LED depends on the energy difference between the conduction band electrons and the valence band holes. For example, if the energy gap is large, blue light is emitted, and if the energy gap is small, red light is emitted.